Howdy do! Hello again and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making this quick and easy Russian salad. Here I have some Irish potato which I've already peeled and diced. I'm going to boil these for about 6 minutes. I also have some fine beans which I'm going to dice, and I'm only going to pour some hot boiling water over these and leave it for about 3 minutes. Here I have a pineapple which I'm going to peel and dice. I'm now going to make the dressing, and here I have 1 cup of Greek yogurt. I have a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to add some garlic sauce here. This is optional, but it's beautiful when you add it to your dressing. I'm also adding some oregano and dried parsley here. I've added a pinch of salt and some black pepper as well. I'm gonna give this a good mix. And here I have all my ingredients ready. Now we're going to combine them all to make my Russian salad. So here I have my sauce, which I've made earlier, pineapple, Irish potato. Here I have some mixed veg and my fine beans. I have some red pepper here and some spring onions, and here I have some carrots. I'm also adding some cucumber, so here I'm dicing some cucumber. In goes my carrot, and I'm using raw carrots here. I did not cook the carrots because I like the crunch in the salad, but you can steam your carrot if you wish to. Adding my bell peppers here, and in goes my mixture of mixed veg and fine beans. In goes my potato, and here I'm adding my pineapple. I'm now going to add my dressing. And now we're going to give this a good little mix to combine everything into a beautiful salad. So my salad is done. So just mixing it all in here just to have the dressing and the salad nicely blended in. So my salad is done. I'm going to serve and garnish. So here we have our beautiful salad. Thanks for watching. Bye.